Lychee is incredibly beneficial for health, but did you know that combining it with certain foods can be harmful? If you combine lychee with the wrong foods, it can lead to serious side effects, including an increased risk of cancer and dementia. These harmful combinations can cause digestive issues, produce toxic substances within the body. Therefore, it's crucial to know which foods to avoid with lychee to protect your health. Cancer is one of the most alarming potential side effects of consuming lychee with incompatible foods. When certain foods are mixed with lychee, they can create a toxic environment in your body, leading to cell damage and an increased risk of cancerous growths. The combination of these foods can produce harmful compounds that interfere with the normal function of cells, causing mutations and the proliferation of cancer cells. Understanding which food combinations pose these risks is essential for maintaining your health. We will discuss 3 foods that you should never combine with lychee, as they can be detrimental to your health. We will also explore the 3 best food combinations with lychee that are highly beneficial and can enhance your overall well-being. So first worst food you should never combine with lychee is milk. Combining lychee with milk can cause digestive issues and, in some cases, serious health problems. The interaction between lychee and milk can create a disturbance in your digestive system. More alarmingly, this combination can produce harmful compounds that may contribute to the development of cancer. When lychee and milk are consumed together, they can create an acidic environment in the stomach, potentially damaging the stomach lining and leading to inflammation. Therefore, it's essential to avoid this combination to protect your digestive health and reduce your cancer risk. Second worst food you never combined with lychee is cucumber. Eating cucumber with lychee can produce toxic substances in the body. This combination can lead to toxicity, causing symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and severe digestive issues. Most alarmingly, the toxic substances created by this mix can contribute to the development of cancer. Chronic exposure to these harmful compounds can lead to inflammation and cellular damage, increasing the risk of mutations and the proliferation of cancer cells. The presence of these toxins disrupts the normal functioning of cells, making them more susceptible to cancerous changes. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid combining cucumber with lychee to protect your health and minimize your cancer risk. This harmful combination not only affects your immediate well-being, but also poses long-term risks to your overall health. Third and last food you never combine with lychee is raw vegetables. Combining the fiber in raw vegetables with lychee's high water content can lead to bloating and indigestion. Additionally, some studies suggest that improper digestion may increase the risk of gastrointestinal issues, potentially elevating cancer risk over time. We've covered all the worst foods to avoid combining with lychee. Now let's talk about the best food combinations that can enhance the health benefits of lychee. In this part of the video, we'll explore the 3 best foods to pair with lychee for maximum nutritional value and overall well-being. These combinations not only taste great, but also provide a range of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to aiding in weight loss and improving digestion. Now, first best food you combined with lychee is edamame. Combining edamame and lychee creates a unique and nutritious twist on traditional snacks or salads. The slightly nutty flavor of edamame complements the sweet, juicy taste of lychee, resulting in a delightful flavor contrast. Edamame, rich in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, pairs well with lychee, which is high in vitamin C and antioxidants. This combination not only enhances the taste, but also boosts the nutritional value of your dishes. Whether added to salads, snack mixes, or even smoothies, the blend of edamame and lychee offers a refreshing and healthful option for various meals. Second best combining food with lychee is ginger. Eating lychee with ginger offers a variety of health benefits. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, helps soothe the stomach and reduce inflammation, while lychee provides a boost of vitamin C and antioxidants. Together, they enhance digestion, support a strong immune system, and improve blood circulation. This combination not only adds a unique flavor twist, but also promotes overall well-being, making it a nutritious addition to teas, desserts, and other dishes. Third best and last combining food with lychee is coconut. Eating lychee with coconut provides several health benefits due to their complementary nutritional profiles. Lychee offers a burst of vitamin C and antioxidants, which boost the immune system and fight oxidative stress. Coconut, whether in milk, water, or shredded form, provides healthy fats, electrolytes, and fiber that support heart health and digestion.